So here's exercise 7 here. We have a rational function here. 3x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. And in exercise A, we want to put a vertical asymptote. And the vertical asymptote is a vertical line like this, which goes through the x-axis for the value, which makes the denominator 0. And we see that that is x equals to 1. We can't have x equals to 1 here because then we divide by 0. So that's the vertical asymptote. I'm just starting to draw this. So I'm doing exercise B as well here. So when x is 1, we get this vertical asymptote like this. And to find the horizontal asymptote, we just look at the numbers ahead of these two x terms here. So we take 3 divided by 1, 3x divided by 1x, 3 divided by 1, which is 3. So and this is y equals to 3. You have to give the answer as an equation: x equals to 1, y equals to 3. So when y is 3, we get the horizontal asymptote like this here. And then we want to find the intersection point with the y and the x-axis. Let's take the y-axis first. Want to find the intersection with the y-axis, we have to calculate f of 0. And when x is 0, these two terms ahead here disappears. So we're left with minus 6 divided by minus 1, which is 6 divided by 1, which is 6. So it's going to intersect the y-axis in 6 here. 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And then we find the intersection with the x-axis. And to find the intersection with the x-axis, we have to put the function equals to 0. And if a fraction is equals to 0, here's a fraction, then the numerator has to be 0. The denominator can't be 0. And if we solve this, we get x equals to 2. So it's going to intersect the x-axis on 2 like this. And then we just draw a sketch here of this graph. So the graph will go like this because it's going to intersect the y-axis like this here. And then it goes to eternity, and it comes from minus eternity and intersects the x-axis here. So there we have a sketch of the graph. So we only need the two asymptotes and the two intersection points, and then we try to just draw a sketch. Yes. So that is exercise